Up to this point, we have been throwing all of our camp kitchen supplies in one of these travel crates. It has always been a disorganized mess, and when it comes to finding the exact item that we want to use, it required some digging and a lot of searching. But now I think I have found a unique item that will benefit everyone when it comes to their overlanding camp kitchen setup. So, this right here is an all-in-one camp kitchen organizing backpack, hanging organizing backpack by a company called Hodrant. I'm not going to pronounce it right, so I'm just going to flash it up on screen. That's the company. Link down below. Anyways, this is hopefully going to take care of all of the mess of disorganization of our prior camp kitchen box. It does appear to be fairly big for a bag, but it also has these clips too. So if you do have a roof basket or different crossbars than I have, you can actually hang the bag right next to where you're going to work, or any way that you want to hang your camp kitchen bag and ready for you to work out of. And most importantly, to stay organized. And all the pockets do have these little elastic stretchy bands to go with it too. One of the coolest things about this bag is actually this little clippy thing right here. This is intended to be your little paper towel holder. So undo this little clasp right here and slip in your paper towels, and they're ready at your fingertips instead of everything bouncing around in this old box. So, also in that back is a Velcro pocket. In the front is this giant Velcro patch for whatever you want to stick to it or anything like that. Anyways, let's see if we can fill this thing up. These are all the spices that I like to take camping, I guess, and the little bottle of Tabasco hot sauce. Never leave home without it. It is kind of crazy to me that everything did fit in this little clear plastic perfectly with the amount of spices that I take, and obviously the hot sauce. That's gonna be pretty freaking tight. I guess our aluminum foil can fit in there pretty well too. Now that's got to be fairly tight in there, but I don't think I can fit my pots and pans in there. There's a lot of space, but they have their own little carry bag, so it's not that big a deal. Obviously, it's not 100% perfect, but in my humble opinion, I would say it's at least 95% perfect, because I was able to fit 95% of my camp kitchen box in that little bag, or big bag, I guess, depending on how you look at it. I think it is an amazing product. It seems really well put together. It looks like it has really heavy-duty material built into it, and the biggest thing is that it is able to carry the whole camp kitchen. It's got everything in one organized place. And that's gonna make a really big difference when it comes to going out and about overlanding. Slightly different.
Darn close.
Wow, these are good.